What's up, guys? Today we're gonna eat a couple of donuts here from Dunkin. Dunkin Donuts. They're all powdered, unfortunately, because they don't have that much donuts to sell right now. But they're gonna make lunch. They might. So we're gonna grab one. Oh shoot, that flew away. Oh, I'll just let it go. We got our first powdered donuts. So it's still pretty good. I asked for 2, but they put 3 instead. Well, that's very nice. Here's one for you too. Enjoy. Out there is Fort Myers. Yep. As it celebrates, it's windy right now. I believe it's like around 72 degrees out here. Look at me, I am wearing a hoodie. That's fine. Alrighty. I'll eat 2 other donuts later, but I guess they can be for you, viewers. So enjoy. Enjoy those donuts. We also got my bike over here. Pretty neat, right? That part of the rack broke. I eventually gotta get a new one, but I'm not into upgrading my bike. There's accessories to my bike. We got my helmets and my bike chain. And we got a bottle holder there, but I don't have a bottle with me. I should have bought a Gatorade in there, because yeah, why not? Alright, so hopefully y'all enjoy this. I'll give you a view. Way northeast is Orlando. I can't wait to go back there. It's pretty fun out there. Well, that'll be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this second food review video, and of course add a little more topic on this. So yeah, it's about my bike. Yeah, you got to see my bike for the first time. It's also in my profile picture. So that'll be it.